Hey everyone, this is your tech host Avishka, and the bulletin for today starts with Google Photos introduces Ask Photos feature, Meta revamps Facebook for better user experience, JSW Ventures invest in Aereo drone technology, Vodafone Idea partners with Ericsson for network expansion. OnePlus may support Qi2 magnetic charging, Apple launches Immersive short film for Vision Pro, Indonesia bans Temu over trade regulation concerns. In the previous quiz, we asked you which technology is used to make telephone calls over internet. The answer is Voice over Internet Protocol. It's time for our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. What is the name of Microsoft's popular office suite that includes Word, Excel and PowerPoint? Confident you've got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune in to tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you've nailed it. Stay tuned. Let's start with the first news. Google is rolling out a new feature called Ask Photos in the Google Photos app powered by its Gemini AI. This feature allows users to ask questions in natural language about their photos, providing relevant results and images. Currently available for selected users in the US, Ask Photos will replace the traditional search tab in the app. Users must set up relationship for people and pets in their libraries to optimize the feature, while the rollout date for all users is unclear. Those on the wait list may soon gain access, enhancing how they search and organize their memories. Now we have Meta, which is planning to redesign Facebook to improve user engagement and content discovery. New features include a local tab for finding community events and shops, along with a weekly and weekend digest for personalized event recommendation. The updates aim to enhance social discovery by providing tailored content based on user interests. Additional features will include an Explore tab for discovering various topics and a revamped video tab for an improved viewing experience. These changes are designed to help users connect more easily with friends and engage with relevant local content. Now we have JSW Ventures, which has invested $1.8 million in Aereo, a company specializing in drone technology and serial intelligence. This funding aims to boost Aero's growth and expand its reach for international markets. Aereo utilizes drone and AI for asset management in sectors like mining and infrastructure, and it has already worked on significant government projects in India. This company has filed 15 patents related to drone innovations, positioning itself for future growth as the global drone market. It is projected to reach $51.4 billion by 2027. Aereo is focused on enterprise application as it scales operations globally. Moving ahead with the bulletin, Vodafone Idea is enhancing its network by awarding major contracts to Ericsson for 4G and 5G upgrades. Ericsson will soon improve VI's existing network infrastructure and deploy 5G across multiple Indian telecom circles, including Delhi and Rajasthan. This partnership reflects both companies' commitment to strengthening digital services in India. Ericsson will provide energy-efficient technology to ensure high-quality connectivity. With these advancements, VI aims to manage growing data traffic and enhance consumer experience. The collaboration is expected to drive rapid 5G deployment, crucial for meeting increasing consumer demands for fast and reliable internet. Now we have OnePlus, which is hinting that its upcoming OnePlus 13 may feature support for Qi2, a magnetic charging standard similar for Apple's MagSafe. This follows the announcement of Qi2 in 2023, which may support iPhones. Currently, only one Android phone has adopted this technology, but OnePlus' potential inclusion could signify a shift for the Android market. The OnePlus 13 is expected to launch soon, and its adoption of Qi2 would enhance user convenience for wireless charging. As the market for wireless charging expands, OnePlus aims to compete by integrating this feature into their flagship devices. Now we have Apple, which has announced its first immersive short film, Submerged, designed specifically for the Apple Vision Pro headset. Directed by Edward Berger, known for All Quiet on the Western Front, this film tells the story of World War II submarine crew facing a torpedo attack. The official trailer highlights how the Vision Pro transforms storytelling, making viewers feel part of the experience. Submerged will be available from October 10, enhancing Apple's offering for the Vision Pro, which is still working on gaining traction in the market. Updates in Vision OS 2 includes new gestures and an improved Apple TV app for sports fans. Last but not the least, Indonesia has decided to continue its ban on the e-commerce platform Temu, citing concerns that its direct sales model harms local businesses. The communication minister emphasized that allowing Temu to operate could negatively impact small and medium-sized enterprises in the country. Temu, which has faced multiple registration challenges due to regulatory issues, has gained popularity in US but struggles to enter Southeast Asian markets. The ban aligns with Indonesia's efforts to protect local merchants as seen with previous actions against other platforms like TikTok Shop. This was all for today's news. Like and share this video and stay tuned to IT Voice for more such tech updates.